Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn off headphone mode on Android. First option is to reconnect headphones. Plug the headphones jack into the phone and pull it out again. This simple step might reset the system and remove headphones icon. The second option is to play audio. Plug in your headphones, then play audio from YouTube or music player. After the audio starts playing, remove the headphones. This might reset the audio settings and eliminates the icon. The third option is to restart your phone. Plug the headphones into the phone jack, restart the phone, and once the phone reboots, just unplug the headphones. This might clear the headphones mode. Alternatively, you can try using wireless headphones to reset the system's focus, as this might shift the audio routing. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.